right, I'm going. There's bees. They're eating me.
Go!
We're doing it.
Bees!
Oh my God! Bees!
Brothers and sisters! Hello! Welcome back to Snowbird, Utah, the site of this week's Sunday Dirt Church. Today we will be riding the Big Mountain Trail. Now, if you're a follower of this channel, you know how much I love this trail. Today, I've got 5 other riders with me. A few of them have never been on this trail before, and I was super excited to show them what it's all about. Also, folks, thank you so much. We've surpassed 600 followers on the Single Tracks and Whiskey channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I love doing these videos for you. It's not depth of one. There's one rock garden that's kind of cool, but a lot of people walk it. And then the only other thing I could tell you, it's just, there's just boulders, and you just kind of have to navigate it a little bit. But it's flat ground. It's not like descending on that. And then after the bridge, just be wary.
Hard right.
It's a hard right. If you are flying on that thing, I mean, it'll surprise you. How
be flying down, see the bridge, and then
well, the bridge goes like this, and there's trees that say sharp turns.
It's almost
I didn't realize that. Came across a corner, and it's literally like more than a 45-degree angle. You're freaking
I don't even remember a bridge. Oh yeah, the famous bridge, man. Big Mountain.
Hey, it's not mountain, it's mountain.
Mountain.
Yeah.
Come on, you're in Utah. Mountain.
Hey, I'm not from Utah. Yeah, an ornament. I don't understand ornament. What the hell is an ornament? Yeah.
If you haven't watched my previous video on this trail, let me just fill you in on a little bit of information. You take the tram from the Snowbird Center up to the top of Hidden Peak, which is 11,000 feet of elevation. The trail then starts a 3,000-foot descent over 7.6 miles. It costs $28 to do this from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and is worth every single penny. You can keep your bike parks. Deer Valley is great. There's a lot of bike parks around. I absolutely love this trail and would do this every day over something like that. All down.
No pedaling?
There's about 200 feet of pedaling at the very end.
Oh, sweet.
You don't have to pedal at all on this trail if you don't want to.
This is my type of trail.
Oh man. All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Now, we haven't received any substantial precipitation in some time in northern Utah, which makes for a very loose but very fast trail. And sometimes, that combination can be dangerous. Ow! Ah! Damn! That thing bit out of me. Giant rock right in my shin. Woo!
Magic Marys, man.
Oh, damn, that hurt. These people shouldn't be coming up this. It is hip. Hey guys. They might catch you. This is typically downhill only.
Oh, okay.
So, no problem. Cool. Enjoy, guys. Holy shit. Let's hold up here for a sec. Woo! Good shit. Yo, yo.
I always keep my eyes loose as I go too.
Good to see that's not dangling anymore.
You worry?
Yeah. It's uncomfortable, you know?
No, I don't. Thank God.
How was that?
That's I hate the loose sections. I slid on that last one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
So this next little section just gets into the trees and stuff. We'll stop before this little rock garden deal. It's about, I don't know, 2 miles down, I think. Right? I don't know. It's like another 2 miles. We'll stop at that.
So was that last section considered Black Diamond, or is this considered?
The whole thing.
The whole thing is kind of, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
There's some towards the end. It's not bad.
The reason, if you'll ask them, the reason they label it a black diamond is just the length of it.
Oh,
Yeah.
so for the skiers and stuff. Maybe,
No,
or-
no. It's just 8 miles
just
of
long.
8 miles of downhill.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, and I remember living in California and then trying to do this at altitude. It's a different.
Sure.
It's a different beast.
Yeah. No. This traverses so many different ski runs, and you go valley to valley. I mean, it's
It's beautiful.
it's not on one. We'll head back over into GAD Valley, which we're kind of in now, and then we'll head back over to Peruvian. So, all right, we ready? Yeah. Yeah. Gonna cut some new sections of this thing. Okay, coming up. Oh yeah.
Then I do it, but I can't clip out fast.
You're not gonna try it? I'll catch you.
Right.
Woo! Howdy.
Gosh, it's slow.
Yep.
Ever done Bruise and Barbecue?
Yeah, all the time.
Have you ridden up, had some beers, and then ridden down?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
That's fun.
Yeah, just don't get
I
wasted.
crashed twice.
It doesn't hurt as much when you crash.
I think about 2 out of the 4 times, I crashed way back
Okay.
down.
All right, I'm going. There's bees. They're eating me.
Go!
We're doing it.
Bees!
Oh my God! Bees!
Brothers and sisters! Hello! I can't see! Oh.
Gotta slow up.
I had to fall back. I couldn't see anything.
Yeah, it's so dusty.
Damn, dude, those hits.
Dude, they're like gnarly. That's so
I hit
good.
one and landed on the side of the hill. Slid back down.
It was so good. Though.
Oh,
Dude,
yeah.
a couple of those big ones were like, poof.
we got
I
to.
can't believe I missed the big one. I was tempted to turn around and go get it.
Yeah, we got to hit that.
Too.
We need to stop before
It's
that
like a
section.
hip, though. I need to look at it because I'm not very good at hips.
Well, I hit the other 2,
Yeah,
and then you can't really hit the 3rd
it's
one.
tough. I hit that second one, which was big, and I landed on the side of the hill and slid back down.
Slid back down, that's what I did.
It's because it's in the middle. So you probably need to hit the left side to set up for the right. You need to go left. It'll
Yeah.
jump you, hit you right, and then hit that big one on the right.
We'll have to session that section because that's a hell of a
God.
section. That's nice. Slow your roll. Woo. Run 2. You're good. You're ripping. Yeah. nice riding, guys.
Thanks.
And gorgeous bike, too.
Thank you. Yeah, Swiftblade, love it.
Absolutely. Enjoy, guys. This little section, man. Wow, there's a train behind me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Shit, that was almost bad. Yeah. Ah! It's doable. Again! Whoa, squirrel! Big rock! Whew! Howdy, boy! Nice! Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. All right, where were those rollers at? They're a little ways still, right? I know this was a long video, but thank you for watching, and quite honestly, this trail deserves an even longer video. That's all for this episode of Sunday Dirt Church. I hope to see you again next time, and I hope to see you out on the trail. Thanks.